Hello D3M users, my name's Adam and welcome to another D3M tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to make a connection within D3M. To start off, I have this Teldio Avigilon solution here. What I want to do today is create a connection in between my network and Avigilon cameras. To do so, I'm going to go over and view the ports and then select what port exactly I want to connect in between the network and the Avigilon cameras. I'm going to choose this IP port right here, and to create a connection, it's as simple as clicking and dragging over, and then once I release, we can see that the connection is made. Now leaving the port view and clicking away will show us that the connection is complete. That's all there is to it. Take a look at our YouTube channel to find more tutorials, and make sure you go follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter to stay up to date on all things D3M.